It's holidays and we've been looking for the best way to keep the kids busy this period. We started off by creating different game activities they can take part in. We'll be sharing that in other videos. And guys, we got a pool. So in today's video, we are going to be unboxing this pool and setting it up. And then we'll be telling you how much we got it, what we think about it. And then guys, you will decide for us. Do you think it was worth it? Do you think it was a good buy? Guys, if you are new to our channel, you're welcome to Alien TV Vlogs. Do well to click the subscribe button, turn on notification bell so whenever we upload videos like this, you get to see it. And if you're a returning subscriber, of course, thank you so much. So guys, you see this pool, we actually got it on Instagram, and then we are going to be dropping a link to the page where we got the pool in the description box. So if you want it, you can get it. It was delivered to us in basically about 2 days plus, and you know, the customer service was awesome. There are different sizes available. There was one smaller than this that was going for about 14,000 at the time, but then it wasn't available anymore when I was set to buy, and I got this for about 16,000. And guys, it's big. It's so big, like you'll be seeing it. It's so big, and it can take about 3 to 4 kids conveniently. Guys, let me even tell you a secret. I even got into this pool, yes, because this is actually not our first time setting it up. When we set it up before, I got into it, and damn, I really enjoyed myself. So basically, all you need to do is pump. We got the manual pump. So if you are going to get a pool like this, an inflatable pool, you need to get a pump alongside. There's the manual pump, there's the electrical pump. So I think the electrical pump is quite easy. Most likely you just need to plug it in and then it just pumps the pool. But since we're using the manual one, guys, this is just where the work is. You have to pump. And one thing I like about this pool in particular is that it has different partitions. So you can see the blue part, you have to pump it separately. The green part, you pump it separately. Same thing, like now you can see we've pumped the blue, the green and the yellow, left with the pink part. So it has a different mouth where you are going to fix in the pump and then pump it. And I think this is awesome. So that way, even if one part gets punctured, you can still use the other parts. You still be able to pump out the other parts pending when you fix this. So just because we know one of the issues this pool will have will be probably something piercing it, that's why we like to place a mat down, since the ground is not so smooth because of sand and all of that, before we put water in it. So now the water is in it and it's time for the kids to get in. They were so excited about this, and you can see them getting in. You could just see our boy jumping into it as if it was an actual swimming pool. It was so nice, and you know, seeing the joy on their faces when they started playing in this made the whole stress and everything you went through pumping it and all worth it. Our last guy refused to come into the water. Most likely he was scared and he just kept on crying, so we decided to just let him be. But guys, let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this? Do you think it was a good buy? Like I said earlier, we got this for 16,000 naira. We are hoping to get some balls and other things they can also use to play inside the water, just to make the whole thing more enjoyable for them. So guys, like I said before, I want to see your thoughts on this. Are you going to buy this? Do you think it was worth what we spent? So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have not, make sure you subscribe, turn on notification bell, and we are going to catch you all in our next video. Bye.